Hello, this is Brantapia for Chapter 19 Lab. Let's see, so you wanted me to enable binary logging. I have a Mac, so as you were saying in the video, it's kind of confusing, but I figured it out. Just followed your instructions. I made a file, so it let me start binary logging. Still kind of confusing. I'm going to read a little bit more on it about Mac and the MySQL Workbench and binary logging. I'm going to go back and read Chapter 17. So it says start a command prompt, use a MySQL dump. I used the GUI like you did in the video. So I made one. I made a backup file. Oops, where'd it go? Oh, here it is. I don't know what this is right here. So here's the file I made, my dump. I named it. I did a couple dumps, but the second one is the one I wanted to use because it has the create database. I was going to use this, just play around a little bit later with the terminal on my Mac and see if I can start doing it from there instead of the GUI. But here is the file I made, and appreciate the video. You explained a lot of stuff because that was really confusing, so that helped me a lot. So there was, I did number 2. So number 3 is open a backup script. Make sure it creates the create database. So I have that. My original one did not have this, so I had to go back and remake a new dump. Next, do another export. So number 4, make sure write and execute an insert statement. Insert a row into the categories table. So I did it here. I made one called harmonicas, and this is how it looked when I grabbed the categories table. And there's my harmonicas. Number 5 is execute a drop table statement that dropped the guitar. Let's see if it still has it. So here I followed what you did because, like you, it gave me an error due to the foreign key constraint. So I did what you did, and boom, it let me drop the table, and then it added it set the foreign key checks back in. So I did that, and then it dropped my categories table. Obviously it's here now because I re-uploaded it, I re-restored it. But this is what happened when I did it, and it worked, and then it went away. It dropped my my table, and then I did what you did. I went and deleted my Guitar Shop, and then I re-uploaded my dump down here on the very end, and you can see down here that everything was good. I did have a little warning here. I think the SQL versions were not equal. I think that was the issue. But besides that, it came back, so I refreshed, and here's my Guitar Shop. So I think I got the hang of exporting and then restoring the database. So I'm gonna play around more with the terminal more and see if what kind of progress I can make. Sorry, my son's in the background having fun. Anywho, thank you. That's it for chapter 19. Thanks.